Hello guys, welcome to our channel Unitech. I am your Aditya and today we are going to see how to create our Telegram channel. Then let's start the video guys. Welcome back guys. Now we open the Telegram app. Before that step, please join our Telegram group Unitech Official, link in description, and you will get more offer video and tech video in that, and you will get offer update also, Amazon offer, Paytm offer like that. And next, click on three buttons. You will get new channel. Click on new channel and you want to write your name, like I'm writing Aditya UT. Click on right button. You can add your image also, but I'm not adding. Next, click on right button and keep that in a public channel, not in private channel, and create your link. I'm writing Aditya UT. It is available. You can see here it is available, and click on right button. You can share your channel with your contact numbers, but I am not doing that. And next, you can see here the channel is successfully created. You can edit also. I am making the series of Telegram channel. Please stay connected with this channel. You can get more information about Telegram. And I hope you like this video. Please join our Telegram group and subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. And thank you guys.